Good morning. Just woke up. It's 1 o'clock. I was up till about 6:30 editing. So yeah, it's been rough. Alright, so I just took a shower and now I'm about to head out to where am I going? Oh, PetSmart to get dog food for Max. And I don't know, I just went out to the other room. My mom's pretty sick right now. Hopefully she'll get better. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go out, and hopefully I will be filming today. I don't know. It's already 1:30, so hopefully no one's at the park. We'll see. Kitty. So cute. I prefer cats over dogs any day. I don't know why, they're so cute. Dogs are huge and massive and very stupid, I guess. Alright, dog food. Alright, going to start the boat, see if it works. Or shuttle off, he said. I'm gonna restart it later. Sounds like it's running. We got power, guys! Woohoo! Alright, sweet. Look how pretty the lake is. Looks nice today, it's just chilly. Hi, Max. Sit. Sit. Good boy, good boy. We love you. It's my good dog. Alright, see if they get here shortly. Shall see. Mom and Dad's at the kitchen table. Bam!
Make sure that the charger is behind the TV. Make sure you take a picture when you guys go out.
Alright, I'll put it in the back of the phone.
Red on red, black on black.
Huh?
Is that Tony?
Sure. Say hi.
What is that?
Ready to see my amazing dog? Ready? Ready? Ready?
Max. Come here, big puppy. Come here. Oh, you're such a big puppy. Hey, hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, you fell. I fell and I can't get up. I need life support.
Get up, puppy.
Get up. It's so special. You're like having a spasmodic seizure.
Hey. I knew I love you.
Alright, I'm just waiting for everyone to arrive. So far it's Chris again and Mary and Nikki. They should be arriving shortly. And apparently, listen to this, my mom does have Windows 7, she thinks. So that could be a good thing. I hope she does, because then, you know, we're safe and we can actually publish videos.
I was like, will you go out with him?
Love you guys.
Wow.
Here's my favorite kitty. He's so cute. Oh, kiss me. I love you.
Look who finally arrived. The hat's nuts. Looks so circular, like you have a fat head.
It's my snowboard hat.
Your snowboard hat? I have a hoodie. Looks cooler. Alright. Alright, Little Wayne. Looks nice.
I'm wearing all my favorite brands.
Party! What are you doing? Hey, you! Look how productive we are. Yeah. This is crazy. It's cold out here. How cold do you think it is? 60?
Who is this?
I think it's 60. 60 with a lot of wind. It's just really breezy.
Just because I met with Robert.
I'll send an SOS to the world. I love that song. It's good. I'm doing homework. English. It's stupid. This is writing stuff. Yeah.
Hola.
time at my party. Alright, we're at the Jefferson house now. Just parked the dog. Oh my god, there's terrible parking. Hi. You tell me not to document, then you wave at my camera. How dare you?
Go to Chris.
Chris wants to get a Shirley Temple in 50. That's Chris. Shirley Temple? I don't know. What are you doing?
Why would we sit outside?
I'm gonna get myself a root beer float.
And we're gonna share.
It's gonna be so fun. This much.
Oh, I see somebody, and I'm like, who the hell is that?
It's crazy though. It's so much warmer in here.
Yeah.
We're at the bar now. I just ordered 7 tequilas.
Some Jack Daniels.
He asked for ID and I couldn't give it to him.
Put it in the booth.
Chris, what are you getting? Any Shirley Temple?
What are you getting? Nothing. I have money.
What do you get?
I have no money.
Yeah, I have money. I just don't know if I want anything. It's too cold.
Yeah,
It's freezing out here. It's so cute.
it's cold outside.
I don't lose money. I don't do football games. Oh, Denver. They're actually winning. 26-20. My dad will be happy on that. I don't know. It's popping up at the bottom right.
Oh my god, the Eagles are losing. Yeah.
Are you fancy, huh? Are you fancy, huh? Go hop in front and catch that dock. Because at least we're moving this time. Are you fancy, huh? No, I won't. I swear. Oh, you saw that? Max! Puppy!
How many times did I tell you?
Alright, I'll go get it. Are you fancy, huh? On my way to the warehouse. Nikki's turn taking Mary home. There they are.
I almost forgot about you.
I miss you.
Miss you too.
Have fun. Bye. Alright, so me and Chris are going. Why is this door open? I know your door was open, right? It was like cracked open. Your door? Your car door?
This door?
Yeah, this door.
Oh, I opened it, that's why.
Oh, okay. Alright, we'll going over to the warehouse, check for Windows 7, get some gasoline. You know how to get there, right? Alright, we're in Chris's pickup truck. It's pretty basic, you know. Basic $3 radio. You know, the usual.
$170.
My car's cool. Every one of them. Dude, I definitely have too many cars.
Yeah.
Dude, you know where you're filling up? Are you filling up at the gas station by the warehouse? Huh? What?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? There's one like right down by the. You know where that school is, right? Yeah. Alright, we can do
It's a
that.
golf station. It's owned by
I think it's a golf
Dot
station. Yeah, no, they just switched the owners actually.
Yeah, I know. I know the guy that used to own it.
They're mean. I don't like them. Alright, so we came to the warehouse to look for Windows 2007, and my mom doesn't have it. I checked her computer. She seems to be running Windows Vista Home Premium. Oh, there's an echo. Hello! Oh, that's awesome. Okay, anyways. Yeah, she's running Windows Home Premium, which means she doesn't even have Windows 2007. Which kind of blows because I was getting excited for it. But I'm gonna have my neighbor or someone look for Windows 2007, hopefully download it for me. But I kind of need it because then maybe I can actually run my software better. Yeah. Look at this guy with the CDs. There's Chris right there talking to some lady. What is she doing? I have no idea what is going on right here. Looks as though Chris has a crush. Oh well, I really shouldn't care. But I'm actually texting someone right now trying to figure out my Microsoft problems, and he says that he only has licenses for corporations and stuff. But he told me to send him my email for the school and I can get like $64 for it. I might want it, I might not. I'm honestly thinking of just editing all my videos on campus. First of all, it's free. I don't need Windows 7. on my computer at home because it's on the computers at home, but or at the campus. But I feel that if I could do it at school, it's cheaper, but I'm going to need to get to school early, so I don't have to like miss my classes for it, you know. But from there, I can edit and post it online. So I should have day 1 posted tomorrow. I have class tomorrow in the morning at 10 till 11, then 3 to 5, and 3 to 6 or something. I don't know. I get out at 6. I may stay extra long, just do those videos though, so I'll probably be home about 8 o'clock. Tomorrow I have nothing, maybe work with my dad. I'll see. So yeah, I don't know what's taking Chris forever to get Dunkin' Donuts. Jesus. There he is. Watch me honk the horn and see what happens. Ready? Nothing at all. Okay. He's going to storm out, I assume. Come on, Chris. Jeez. Yeah, chillin'.
What's up, nigga? I'll be waiting. I need to let it go. Fade it out to the light.
Finally getting gas. I'm exhausted. There's Chris. Chris.
Hi.
Ooh, shiny. It's so hot in here. It's not funny.
That's why I have my window open.
Shit, well, you blast the heat. Just playing around on my phone.
Speaking of, where is my...
Alright guys, you'll never believe this, but guess what I just did? I came back to my computer after this long night and bam. Finally uploading day 1. This is fantastic. I don't know how I did it, but I did something right. And now I'm eating pasta, some penne and vodka. I got myself a soda, celebratory soda. There's Chris chewing out. Is it pretty good? It's pretty good, right?
It's hanging.
I love don't ever do that again. There's my lazy cat. Conan, what are you doing, little girl? Oh, he's a guy, right. Sleepyhead. I thought Nikki was here. I thought we heard the door shut.
You heard that too, right?
Yeah, I did too. Anyways, it's uploading. I'm so happy you guys are going to see this. Yeah. So, I'm going to put some information in doobly-doo. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Alright, see you later. Alright, you guys do not know how excited I am that these videos are actually posting right now. Going inside, then see if it worked. Alright, well, yeah, it uploaded. Awesome that it uploaded. Now I'm gonna play some music, some He Is We. Some good music. Love this music. Watch some bobsledding, and then I'm going to go to bed early, maybe around 10. Should be good. I'm exhausted. I gotta study some, and then going to bed, and then I'll post this on before I go to bed. So this should be up. And there's a smudge on the screen again. There, much better. Yeah. This should be up, and tomorrow I'll just film some more. Alright, thanks guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks.